Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Femi Richward, and you are welcome to Speedy Success Professional. The camera behind me is showing the focusing. I want to tell all of us watching me that if you are an ICANN student or CIBM candidate, CITN, undergraduate, I want you to come to Speedy Success. You can join us online with your WhatsApp line anywhere you are. You need expert knowledge in accounting and management courses. Then Speedy Success is the best place to go. Now I'm going to take you through our programs, and then I will guide you on how to join us in 2026. Thank you. All right. For what I said, this invitation is for everyone that is an ICANN student. You are writing your CIBN, CITN, ATS, and you want expertise in accounting software, advanced Excel. Please, you are welcome. Either you are a potential accounting student, banker, tax consultant, students, undergraduate, business leaders or manager, you just needed someone to support you or train you on what to do when it comes to your business reporting. Please call 081-4842-1111, and that's Speedy Success Professional. What are the benefits for students? You are able to pass your exams, your professional exams, at the first attempt. I can tell you 10 times, if you follow my instruction, you will surely pass your professional exam at the first attempt. And then number 2, you gain expert knowledge in your field of study. Then number 3, you progress to become a qualified professional in your course. Now, let me show you some of the things. Maybe you say, if I'm not in Lagos, how do I join the class? You will join the class and see what you are saying from your location anywhere in the world. We have candidates from the UK who are writing ICANN in the UK, and they are part of our studentship. Now, this is what you will see when we add you to the classroom. You don't need to visit us. It's not a video. It is a style of training which I call practical online class or physical online class. Now, if I'm to take this course now and these formulas, this is what you will see on your phone, and you will hear the understanding and explanation, and then you'll be able to use to practice and solve this question. So I am pushing to everyone watching this video, try and use the format I gave before to solve this question and get back to me. If you score it 100%, you will get 10% discount from our classes. Call 081-4842-1111. ICANN student, ICT, CITN student, CIBN student as well. Join us now, and you are welcome. This is the assignment. Sorry, you get 5% discount from our classes. Success is sure here.